This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the watch down and removing the band so you can access the back cover. Once done, warm the seam gently with a hairdryer on low for 20-30 seconds to soften adhesive. That prevents cracking. Use a small suction to lift a corner and insert a thin plastic pick. You want steady, even force and to avoid metal pries that damage the housing. Make sure to keep screws organized as you find them so reassembly is quick and accurate. Once the seam opens slightly, move the pick around the perimeter a few millimeters at a time. This prevents sudden snaps and lets adhesive release uniformly. If you encounter screws, remove them with the PH000 screwdriver and collect them in order. As you lift the back, watch for short ribbon cables and sensor connectors under a small foam or bracket. Do not yank. Use tweezers to unclip connectors gently, supporting the cable end, because you'll need those intact for accurate sensor alignment later. You now clean exposed contacts and sensor faces with 90% plus isopropyl and a lint-free swab to remove residue that causes noise. Once dry, replace the adhesive gasket or apply a thin, continuous bead so the back sits flush. Uneven adhesive can cause gaps that let in moisture or noise. Reconnect ribbons, seat the cover, and reinstall screws snugly but not over-tightened. Finally, power on and test sensors and charging. If noise persists,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.